Choosing a physical therapist is just as important as choosing your family doctor. There are plenty out there, but some will be suitable for you, and some won't. So, if you're looking to use physical therapy to treat your pain conditions, here are 5 things that you need to consider. 1. Area of expertise. You need to make sure that every physical therapist you speak to is licensed. They need to be able to practice legally. Different clinics specialize in different areas. Try to find one that matches your needs. 2. Location. Try to find a physical therapist who is based in a location that is convenient for you. If you have to see them regularly, then you don't want to have to travel for hours every time. 3. Treatment style. Different therapists work in different ways. You have to play an active role in your rehabilitation, so you need to find someone who can offer you detailed instructions for each of the exercises that you will need to do at home. 4. Clinical environment. If you can visit clinics, then you should. This will enable you to see whether or not they currently have up-to-date equipment and machines that can be used during your treatment. 5. Communication. Communication is really important. If you feel like you are being spoken down to, then you are going to be less likely to follow advice. Make sure that you choose a physical therapist who makes you feel comfortable. Physical therapy is an effective way to relieve pain, strengthen your body, and promote your health and endurance to prevent the risk of future injuries. If you are currently looking for a licensed, experienced, and friendly physical therapist who will listen to you and understand the factors affecting your health, to provide individualized and comprehensive physical therapy and rehabilitation, contact us to schedule a free consultation.